How to get unbanned from the Grindr app. So basically, most of the videos or tutorial videos out there is stating that you can go ahead and try to use a VPN, change it into any region, and your account should be working fine. But it is actually not working. So our last resort right here, if our account was just suddenly getting banned without any reason, just heading directly to Grindr.com's official site, and at the left portion of your screen, just simply click on Contact and scroll down and click on Visit our Help Center. You will now then be redirected to the Help Center on Grindr. Now go to Get in Touch, and then on the first field, just choose on I need help managing my account. In here, add your email address, subject, which is going to be banned or unbanned account, and then just simply fill out this necessary information right here and tell them what is happening. Now, if you do have a screenshot of that specific photo that your account was getting banned doing such without doing any problems by using the application, just simply attach it here. And once submitted, all you have to do is to wait till the Grindr gets back to you for your issue to be rectified. So we believe that's the last resort that we can do for us to be able to get our account unbanned from Grindr.